Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how you can get a gradient color for your words on Instagram story with iPhone. So first you just need to open your Instagram application, and then you just need to swipe until you got this Instagram story camera, and then you just need to tap into the random picture. Next you just need to add the text here. Let's say I would like to do with the gradient text, and the next thing you need to do is just go block the text here. And the next you just need to tap into the color. Now you just need to pick the color, the first color that you want to use, and then just drag the cursors into the next text and then change the color. And you can do it for the next. Perfect. And right after you're done, you just need to go tap done, and your Instagram story is ready to be posted. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this, guys, and let's meet again into other tutorial.